Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I got a package from the Waterwood, wherever it's Ontario. So let's go over it. I ordered 2 cassette tape and the one, yeah, a little bit damaged. So yes, 2 cassette tape. Making that set. I got these the same. Me just leave it, like I did touching video prints. I got these. It's pretty cool. Nice. Very nice. I like the green one. This looks pretty cool. And we got these. Let me put it upside down. Stay. It's just it's a little bit wet, whatever. So not worried about that. No. 2 cassette tape. So yeah. Alright guys, say thank you for watching and don't forget like, subscribe, and don't forget hit subscribe to notification bell, and you don't miss video. And don't forget to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagrams, whatever stuff. So yeah, take care.